Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax St. Petersburg, or today, I'm Old Saint Nick. I'm standing on the bow of a 36 kilo power catamaran, and I'm gonna give you guys some pointers on how to be safe, fun, and looking good when you're decorating your boat for the holiday season. Whether that's a boat parade or just showing off to your neighbors at the dock, follow me and I'll give you some tips. Tip number one, when you're walking around up here, putting on the finishing touches, you might wanna show off your cool Santa Jaws socks, but in reality, this stuff gets a little slippery on gel coat on boats. You could slip and fall and really hurt yourself. I found that out the hard way. So what I usually do, if you're gonna be doing some maneuvers, kick off the socks, get your bare feet, get a lot better grip on the shiny boat. Tip number two, if you are hanging lights on your boat, make sure that your generator or your shore power or whatever it is can handle the amount of electricity that you're putting out. And most importantly, your outlets and stuff, wherever you hang the lights, while you might think they might look nice, hanging close to the water line, make sure they're well above it, keep everything safe and from having any sort of electrical issue. Tip number three, if you're gonna be hanging up some inflatables, make sure they're one, secured properly, and two, out of an area that's going to catch a lot of wind. We don't want Santa Claus to go flying away. And last but most certainly not least, if you're out in the boat parades, everybody's having a good time, make sure that you always have a designated driver. It's all about having fun, being safe, and getting everybody, including Santa's sleigh, back home. Once again, I'm Old Saint Nick here at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other safe boating tips around the holidays, drop them in the comments below. Bye guys.